Hello internet, this is a short video about the buses, the ones that are kinda looking strange and luxurious, that like if they don't belong to the TfL and in general to London. But yeah, those are the new buses. You will find them usually in central London, where you can find the buses that are like this one. Like their seats, they have higher seats. The floor looks like a wooden floor, and the stop buttons, they have stop buttons on the seats down here, and as well have headrests. So yeah, they look much nicer. Like there was a few cases where people will literally come inside the bus and they will like ask me, where is this bus going again? And like I will have to explain to them that it just looks different. So on the upper deck, as you can see, the only two handbars are these ones, grab rails or whatever you want to call them. All the rest of the bus have no grab rails or handbars. And it's really nice and clean looking. All of the seats have higher and have headrests, because they look nice. I like those buses. And how they look. But they're I believe that they're meant for central London. They're not meant for the outsides of central London. Like we're at the moment, we're not in central London. Although that this bus goes all the way to central London, still it doesn't move only there, it lives. And when I asked how come we have those buses, I was told that it was just a mistake because we have very few of them. We don't, most of our buses are not like this one. And yeah, the seats, all the stop buttons are right here, like in front of the seat, in the seat in front. And yeah, it's really nice and clean, and a very comfortable seats. That's destination board. That's how it looks. And let me show you the driver cab. There's also like these stickers. This is priority, and as well here, like it's really nicely done, really nice looking. But I'm sure they're more expensive, so TfL rather not have them here. So in the driver area, like it's the usual down here. There is no difference down here. The difference is up. So obviously that's the usual climate control, cameras, and over here is the destination board. Destination board looks different and it works very different than the rest of them. And the one thing that I was not expecting to see on a bus that is serving London was this here. This here, ladies and gentlemen, is your taco reader, your taco card, which obviously you will never use it as a London bus driver, but it is here. It is here because if you use it, it's in conflict with the legislation that is in place for London bus drivers. And this is meant only for drivers that actually are drivers, not mobile workers, because as some of you may know, London bus drivers are not actually drivers under the legislation by the UK government. London bus drivers are classified as mobile workers, and we follow different legislation, which is actually very bad legislation. It's very unfriendly towards your work and life balance, but that's the legislation that we are following as London bus drivers, which is not bus drivers. We are actually mobile workers under the legislation, which is very sad thing because we do drive very extended amount of time and that legislation doesn't protect us in any way. It literally says that for every 16 days that you are working, you need to have only 1 day off every 16 consecutive work days, and that's unheard of with any other industry. But anyway, those are the new buses. Hopefully you enjoyed them, and let's hope that maybe they will put them on more destinations as they renew the buses.